Good Friday evening to you. Richard Scott here with your forecast update. Heading into a beautiful weekend in terms of weather, just in time for Labor Day. We've got plans outdoors. No problems expected across Alabama. Do want to mention the National Weather Service continues to send out the survey teams to look at all the damage across portions of west and central Alabama. Some of those have come back as some tornado reports. We've had 3 confirmed tornadoes across Alabama. One of those over in West Alabama. Tornado touched down near Reform and tracked up into Fayette County, lifting just west of the city of Fayette. Winds officially 115 miles per hour. That was an EF2. It was on the ground for 31 consecutive miles. Another tornado touched down in Bibb County. This just southwest of Brent. It lifted just before reaching the Highway 82 corridor west of Brent. Winds were 90 miles per hour with that EF1. And up in Coleman County, had another tornado on the ground for 13.5 miles. This was started around Holly Pond and lifted just northwest of Arab. Winds were 115 miles per hour with that particular tornado. Conditions pretty quiet out there this evening as of about 9:45. I do want to note, though, we do have a random shower that popped up over Tuscaloosa County. That's moving through town and dissipating as it moves off to the southeast. I don't expect any additional rain tonight. Here's a look from Bryant-Denny and Tuscaloosa. 73 this evening. Temperatures will continue to fall tonight. In fact, by tomorrow morning, we'll be in the mid-60s. During the afternoon, we should top out in the mid to upper 80s. Plenty of sunshine for our Saturday. Again, starting off Labor Day weekend. Again, temperatures this evening back in the 70s for the most part. A few 60s out there, but Harvey is to our north now. And again, you see that little random shower that popped up over East Mississippi moving into West Alabama. Everybody else tonight will be rain-free. Here's a computer model again showing dry conditions for the remainder of the night. Temperatures in the 60s, and tomorrow we'll warm back in the middle to upper 80s. Expect low to mid-80s north of Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. Tomorrow night, as we go into Sunday morning, again, it's going to be a great start to the day. Temperatures really feeling nice out there. During the afternoon, getting a bit warmer again as we go to the afternoon. Hurricane Irma out in the Atlantic. We had a visible satellite loop up that, but the sun has now set. So we'll go over to the infrared satellite so you can still see that. Winds at 115 miles per hour. It is a Category 3 storm moving west of 14. Here's the official track from the National Hurricane Center. Again, this is going to move off towards the west and over the next several days, and then bend back off towards the west-northwest by the time we go into Wednesday. And it's going to be somewhere just north of the Lesser Antilles, I think, on Wednesday. And big question is, where does it go after that? Understand there's a little skill in forecasting these hurricanes and tropical storms whenever they're more than 5 days out, so we're not even going to speculate on where this is going to go, but understand there is a possibility this could impact somebody in the lower 48 over the southeast coast or the Atlantic coast. We'll have to watch it carefully. Still a lot of questions on this upper air pattern, the steering currents, what's going to happen with Irma over the next several days. Here's your weekend forecast. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, plenty of sunshine through the Labor Day. No problems at all. Alabama take it on Florida State over in Atlanta on Saturday. Temperatures will be in the 70s during the game. Obviously, the game's going to be indoors. We're just talking about conditions outside. If you're coming out from the parking lot or if you're going to be tailgating near the football area. Again, in Atlanta, that's the situation with that. I don't expect rain, so we will be dry. 60s tonight. Tomorrow for Saturday, we'll top out in the upper 80s. Again, it will be a mild afternoon, but overall not bad with the low humidity through Labor Day. Now, Monday and Tuesday, showers and storms will return, especially late on Tuesday and early on Wednesday. Much cooler on Wednesday. We'll stay in the 70s all day. Temperatures by Wednesday night and Thursday night in the upper 50s.